This is Classroom Quizzes. Let's just install Quizzer, the updated version of Classroom Quizzer. When you install it, I like to put it in documents just so it's easy to find everything. So I'll install it into my documents. Let's just wait a minute or so to install. Okay, so it's all installed. Let's go through the buttons. We've got correct, incorrect, next question, lock buzzers, reset scores, pause, hide scores, final scores button. If you want to finish the quiz early, you can press the final scores button. We've got jingles. These are all set up, and the praise as well. When these are pressed, these show on the player's screen, but I'll do another video for the player's screen. For now, I'll just stick with the host screen and the editor. So we've got reset game, open player screen. If I click that, got music on or off, editor, settings, language. Change the language. Oops. And we'll put that back to English. And we've got the user guide on how to do everything. Host screen, quiz editor, settings, player quiz, shortcuts, troubleshooting, and quiz packages. This is where you can import and export, and you can also import from online as well. Okay, let's go for editor. If you want to add a question, just type in your question here. Put in your multiple choices. You don't have to fill all of these out. If you just say you only wanted A, B, C, and D, when playing the quiz, E and F won't be there on the player's screen. You can also have free response, so you can just type in the correct answer here, and you can change the timer, point value, deduct point value. You can have music on in the background. You can lock out players on incorrect answer. You can show the image after the answer is given, or if all players are locked out. This is good for music quizzes. So you can also attach a picture and an audio file for say music quizzes. And reveal picture, you can have jigsaw puzzle or blur effect or none. And for the jigsaw puzzle, you can have 5x5, 4x4, 3x3, or 2x2. Okay, you can also change the currency as well. You can have just points or any of these currencies here. And you can also import from online, import and export as well. So you can press export. It saves as a zip file. Then you can upload that to say Google Drive and then share the quiz with anyone. Let me just get the Google Drive link ready. So this is the quiz I've got. So make sure you share this and then copy the link. And then we'll go to import online, and you'll paste your link in here. Download. It's downloading. This will take a couple of seconds. It's a music quiz, so it's got audio files and pictures attached. Okay, now it's done. That's imported. And it also updates all the locations for the pictures and audio files, but you will need to save. It takes you to where the folders were created. The folder. It's in Documents under Quizzes, Music Quiz. Let's just save that. And then for each question, So as you can see here, I've got this on free response. And show the image after the correct answer, or all the players are incorrect. I've got this for all of them. Let's just change that one. Save. When you've made an edit, you do need to save again. Now for export, you can export the package and then send to another person or to another computer. So when you exporting, name the zip file. So I'll call it 80s zip. Save. Exporting. Let's go to our quizzes. Quizzes here. And this is the zip file. And then you can like upload that to Google Drive or just put it on a thumb drive and place it on another computer. So when you import, if you wanted to import, you would then find the zip file, and then it shows importing. There you go, done. I won't save this because I've just saved that already. Okay, let's get out of editor. Let's have a look in settings. Settings, you can change the background color, the text color, the font. I usually keep this on about 41. And you can change these as well.
Excellent!
You can change the text for the praise buttons when they're shown on the player's screen for your own text. I'll do that in another video showing the player's screen. You can also buzzer timings, gameplay, you can save that as default. Auto advance, if you uncheck it, then you'll have to press the space bar. I prefer pressing the space bar to move on to the next questions. You can also edit the text on the player screen. So when you open the player screen, it says welcome, players ready to compete, and so on. And you can also have your own logo. So instead of this logo and text, you can have your own. Okay, that's it for the host screen editor and settings. I'll be back with another video shortly.